Hello and welcome back to FSM Super Sundays. My name is Troy, and as always, we're going to get straight into the charts. We're going to start with the monthly charts. So since the last time I did a video, the monthly candles did close for the month of November. So as you can see, bullish candle, Morningstar did form and has followed through here for so far in the month of December. So looking very bullish. As I did say that Dixie was looking previously that it was going to reverse, and we'll see some buys on Dixie, and also that would result in sales in the majors. However, dollar index did break down from a level of support, and as you can see now, you have euro dollar moving upwards quite nicely. Yeah, so that's now pushed above these highs, as I have previously mentioned here, from the second consolidation, the 50 Fibonacci here, looking to push towards the 27.2, and then ultimately it will look to move in between the 124 psychological level to 125 sort of 50. So it's quite a big range, but there is a lot of sort of in this area. I prefer for it to go sort of towards 124.50, I'd say would be a nice level to target on that. If we go down to the daily and then the 4 hour to see what we can find. Nothing much here. Potentially no, well, counter trend trade, you can maybe see a break of a trend line or so. Trade down to here. If it does come back to this blue line, that'll be a nice area to take buys from. So from here up to this level here, yeah, that'll be quite nice. But yeah, so wait for pullbacks before you get long. This is clearly now bullish. As I said before, dollar's quite weak, so the majors will look to head up. If we go to cable, so I'd say this was struggling a little bit, but because the dollar is weak, this is pushing up slowly. However, it has still failed to close above this level on the weekly. Obviously, the month of November was quite bullish, but as you can see, so far in December, the week was bullish, but as you can see, it's not able to close above this high here. It's just closed above this level of, well, it's actually an area, I should say, of resistance. So yeah, it hasn't closed above the area of resistance, so we can still potentially see some nice shorts, not too far, maybe a nice counter trend trade for a few, sort of maybe 100, 200 pips or so. However, I wouldn't sort of take shorts long term until you break this trend line and break this previous swing high. So on the daily, yeah, as you can see, struggling. So nice push up, then it couldn't push higher. Did break above here, tried to get to do the same again here, but then got pushed back down. So if we do get a bearish candle that closes below this low here of Friday's candle, that'll be a formation of an evening star, which would show that we're seeing some selling pressure. Price maybe come back down to levels we previously saw, maybe around here. 132.50, if not then 131. And let me have a quick look on my other side. No, okay, cool. Yeah, so basically, that's what you're looking for. So maybe some shorts. This one I watch it quite carefully because you can trade it either way, but ultimately you want to be getting the side of the longs. You want to get long term, but you do want to get a better entry point. So the pullback is both favorable for everyone that's looking for shorts and looking for longs, because you want to get a better price for the shorts, for the longs. And also if you're short, you want price to head down anyway. And before we move on, okay, right, yeah, so monthly, yeah, December was bearish for, November was bearish for gold, but it has rebounded from this level of support. So I'll show that to you in the other time frames. I did think it was going to head a bit low, but as I said before, with dollar being weak, it could obviously reverse and go the other way, which it is doing so. So price just rebounding from closing just below this level of support at 17.93. So yeah, this one traded quite carefully. Gold is due a pullback, a bit bigger pullback, but dollar is weak, so it's going to struggle to do so. But yeah, I'm not going to dwell on this one too much. I wanted to go through sterling yen. Right, sterling yen, monthly time frame. Yeah, once again, November is bullish. on monthly anyway. Weekly, prices come up and hit this level of, or this top trend line resistance that I marked out from a while ago, from I think from maybe not quite here, some September or a bit earlier. I had it marked out when it touched this here. No, just before it touched here. So I had it marked out from August. Nice pull back, nice breakdown. Now it's pulled back, so we want to see how it does react at this level. Now, yeah, so that's what we're looking at the moment. We can look to maybe have a counter trend line here. Either way it does break, it's going to be a big reaction. So this is one thing to watch. I'm not going to go through it in great detail, but it's quite self-explanatory. If it breaks below, shorts down to at least 134. Longs, you know, we're looking at first here 142.50, then 144, and then up to 148. So it is a downtrend line. So shorts should have bigger moves. However, if you look at the last few weeks, we have been or even the last few months, from middle low here, lower high, then a higher low and a higher high, and a higher low and a higher high and a higher low, looking to make another higher high potentially up here. Yeah, something to look out for. So we do have that in mind. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Another short one, just quickly running through the currency pairs. Dollar index once again breaking below quite nicely last week. There's a lot of space to the downside to 88, sort of 88.50 would be quite nice. But yeah, very nice even star here. And then now looking to push much lower. Elsewhere, if we go to cryptocurrencies, let's go for a bit stamp. Yeah, so new highs were made on the 30th of November. Wait, no, that's that week, sorry. So new highs were made on the 1st of December, which is a Tuesday, I believe. And that got to a high of 19,918. No. Yeah, sorry. So yeah, new highs are made. So this is looking very nice for Bitcoin. If you hold some or held some from earlier this year, you're laughing. It got all the way down to you know, just below sort of 4,000. So if you're able to get on board anywhere from, you know, before October, you're laughing. It's a huge sort of bullish run in the past 2 months. So we'll see what happens now that it did break and make a new high. Hopefully it does sort of explode towards, you know, 25, 30 and 40k plus, etc. I do have some Bitcoin also. If you do want more information, speak to Kwame. He is the cryptocurrency guru. And yeah, also with so with altcoins as well, there's things you can look at. I still do have some XRP, which big move in the month of November. But yeah, that's it, guys. Hope you did enjoy the video, and we'll speak to you another time.